Hi traders, Japan's equity investment firm SoftBank backed Indian e-scooter maker Ola Electric likely to set valuation at around $4.5 billion, that means 37,600 crores for IPO. With this, Ola Electric joins a series of startups like Mama Earth and GoDigit that went for IPO previously with a valuations less than the private equity funding. Actual Ola Electric was valued at around 45,120 crores. Company received IPO approval from market regulator SEBI on June 20th to raise 7,250 crores funding. In last September, Singapore investment firm Dmat was funded in Ola Electric with a valuation of 45,120 crores. As per its submitted DHRP, Ola Electric will utilize the funds 1,226 crores for capex, 800 crores for repay debt, 1,600 crores for R&D and 350 crores on organic growth.